video, we're going to learn parts of speech in Igbo language. And parts of speech is called Nkeji, Asusu. Nkeji, Asusu. That is what parts of speech is called. We're going to learn what is parts of speech and then list the parts of speech we have and probably explain one. Yes, we are going to do it bit by bit. We are going to be explaining it one after the other, one in each video, so that you can easily locate any one you want to locate and then learn and understand it very well, okay? So you are very much welcome to my channel. My name is Onyi, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and share it as well. So let's begin. Nkeji Asusu means parts of speech, and it indicates how a word works in meaning and as well as grammatically within the sentence. So nkeji asụsụ bụ ọrụ mkpụrụ okwu na-arụ dịka ọnọdụ ya na nghọta ya n'ahịrịokwu ebe ọ dị. That is nkeji asụsụ. You can always come back to this video and watch it over and over again so that you understand it. Now we have 8 parts of speech. 8 parts of speech in Igbo language. Nkeji asụsụ. Ọ dị asatọ anyị nwere. The first one is noun. A noun is called mkpọ aha. Mkpọ aha. Mkpọ aha. That is what a noun is called. Mkpọ aha. Mkpọ aha. A pronoun is called nnọchi aha. Nnọchi aha. Nnọchi aha. Verb is called ngwa. Ngwa. Ngwa, that is verb. Preposition is called mbuzo. 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 Then adjective is called nkọwa aha. Nkọwa aha. Nkọwa aha. Conjunction is called njikọ. Njikọ. That is conjunction. Remember, you can always come back and then watch it, okay? So conjunction is called njikọ. Then adverb is called nkwuwa. 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 And then interjection is called ntimkpu. Ntimkpu. Now we're going to learn mkpọ aha, which is noun. Gịnị bụ mkpọ aha? What is a noun? Gịnị bụ mkpọ aha? Mkpọ aha bụ aha mmadụ, anụmanụ, ebe ma ọ bụ ihe. Mkpọ aha bụ aha mmadụ, anụmanụ, ebe ma ọ bụ ihe. So a noun is a name of person. That is aha mmadụ. Aha mmadụ means a name of person. Animal, that is anụmanụ, a name of person, animal, place, which is ebe, or things, which is ihe. Alright, now we're going to give examples of this name of person, animal, place, or things. That is aha mmadụ, aha ebe, aha anụmanụ, aha ihe, which is mkpọ aha. Now aha mmadụ: Onyinyechi, Obinna, Chinenye, Chibụzọ, Ijeọma, Festus, Emmanuel, Destiny. All these things are aha mmadụ, right? That is a name of person, aha mmadụ. Then animal, which you can say goat, that is anụmanụ. Animal means anụmanụ in Igbo language. So ewu, that is goat. Dog, cow, sheep, all these things are anụmanụ. Do you get? So you can always watch the animal videos. Yes, search for them, or you find the link in the description box. Watch all of it so that you will get the descriptions of all these animals, okay? You see how they all look like. So anụmanụ That is the goat, the dog, the sheep, the cow, the snake, and the rest of them. Aha anụmanụ. Place, aha ebe. So the aha ebe means places, like Lagos, Abuja, Enugu, United States, United Kingdom, Anambra, Nigeria, Morocco. All these places are aha ebe. And then aha ihe, that is name of things. Ball, plate, cup, book, clothes, and the rest of them. So aha bụ aha mmadụ, aha anụmanụ, ebe maọbụ ihe, right? A noun is the name of person, animal, place, or things. So don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe, and also turn on your bell icon so that you will not miss any of our updates. Daalụ. Aha m bụ Onyinye. Ka emesịa.